Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting clean, well-structured data, headers in the top row and contiguous columns. Click any cell in the range, then press Ctrl+A to confirm selection. Once done, convert to a table Ctrl+T so Excel tracks dynamic ranges. This makes future updates automatic. Make sure numeric columns are formatted correctly so Excel detects data types. If dates are misread, fix the format now. Otherwise, your axis labels will be wrong. You next pick the right chart for your question. Use scatter for correlations and line for trends. Click Insert and choose Recommended Charts to preview or select a type directly. Once inserted, use Chart Design to switch row/column if series are swapped and add chart elements like axis titles and grid lines. Make sure to set axis bounds and units logically so patterns appear. Change colors for accessibility and consistency with your report. You finish by refining presentation details. Add trend lines or error bars if needed, format markers and fonts for readability, and align titles for clarity. Once satisfied, export using Copy as Picture for slides or save as PDF/PNG for distribution. If the chart looks incorrect, check for hidden rows, incorrect ranges, or a mismatched axis type, text versus date. Changing the axis format often fixes misplaced points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.